welcome to PSCAD tutorial. In this tutorial we will learn how to transfer PSCAD plot into MATLAB. So you have already seen that if we run the model in PSCAD, plots are coming like this, right? Plots are coming like this. So if we just enable the fold, the plots are coming like that. Okay. Now if we want to uh, save these plots into Microsoft Word, we just need to click on this and copy frame as meta file and just open a Microsoft Word and paste it by Control P. But you can see that the plots are very hazy type, and we cannot set the axis limit. Actually, we can set the axis limit from here by just double clicking this, and we can set x limit and x minimum and y minimum and y maximum, and we can apply the grid also by just enable the show grid by like that, and we can change the y-axis by just right click on this, uh, right click on this, yes, right click on this and say we want to see the plot from 1 to 2.5. So just 1, minimum is 1 and maximum would be 2.5. Okay, now you can just right click on this and copy frame as meta file and just delete it and paste it like that. But in some cases we need to plot the datas of PSCAD into MATLAB for processing further calculations and doing various operations like uh, some signal processing techniques or some soft computing technique. We have to process the data in MATLAB. It is not possible in PSCAD. It is possible in PSCAD by Fortran language. You can click the Fortran language here. The Fortran data of the model is given. Actually, if we model in model window, then automatically it will generate the Fortran data will generate. But if you know the Fortran data, you can Fortran language, you can build a program in PSCAD also. But for we actually do programming in MATLAB actually, so we need to load the data of PSCAD data into MATLAB so that the calculation can be done in MATLAB window. So what should we do? First, check just right click on the model window and go to project setting. Here you can see the first point. What is the first point? First point is enable channels to disk. Okay, just see it is enabled or not. Save channel to disk, it is disabled. You have to enable this and give any name. say 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 power system PS, and okay this. Now run this. After running the modeling, you can you can have a folder name the same name, .emt file actually, .emt folder in the same directory where PSCAD is located. PSCAD modeling file is located. So if we just want to see from beginning, just to delete this thing and go to PSCAD model again and run this, you can see that it will automatically generated for every run. Okay, so this running is complete or not? Yes, 5 seconds. Okay, running is done. So if just go to the .emt folder, and you will have you have just written the uh, excuse me, output file as ps.out. You will have ps dot ps underscore 0.1 dot out, ps underscore 0.02 point dot out, these two files, and we will have the information of these two files. Okay, so this is the information inf file. This inf file, you can see here the details of the various columns of the output file is written. See, for 1 2 3 is vs1 vs2 vs3. That means va vb vc, vsa vb sb vsc actually. Fourth is ps qs, fifth is qs, then sixth is just is 0 sequence component of phasor, of fundamental 1 phasor, negative sequence phase, fundamental 1, positive sequence phase, fundamental 1, zero sequence magnitude fundamental 1, negative sequence magnitude fundamental 1, positive sequence magnitude fundamental 1 for 11, and 12, 13, 14 is IC, IB, IA. Okay, now these are the informations. So if we just double click the out file, you can see the various columns. Now if we just, so actually you can see that in the .out file, the for a single .out file you can see number of column is 11. Okay, and if we see the information .inf file, we are having first is equals to vs1. So it is not actually the first column is vs1. So always remind that the first column of out file of every out file, the first column is time, then second column is, in this case, this will be vs1. So it is 1 means second column, 2 means third column, 3 means fourth column. Okay, and according like this. Okay, now up to 10 value, here the dot out file have 11 columns, so this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 value will be in the ps underscore 01 dot out file, and rest of the four values 11 12 13 14 will be in the ps underscore 02 value. Here we will see the four column, and obviously the first column will be the time. Okay, so this is the way to generate uh, PSCAD data. Now we have to call. Now how to load this data in MATLAB. Okay, so this is a MATLAB window. Actually, this is MATLAB 2017 A version. So in this window, in the command window, we have to write edit. Now you can see the editor file has opened. Now we have to write three commands: clc, clear all, close all. These are the command to clear, close the various plot window, and clc means clear the workspace, uh, close the all the other window after every run. Okay, so these three commands are necessary. Now uh, I will recommend to select the details of .inf file and copy it by just copy it and paste it in the editor window, and select all these things and comment it so that it will not come in run uh, run process. Okay, now you will have the details of the individual columns of the out file. Now we have to just save these things first. uh, this should be in the same directory. I will rename is just test, rename as test. Okay, just save it. Now you can see that this test file is here, so we have to copy the out files and paste it in the same directory of the MATLAB file. Okay, this out file should be here only, otherwise it will not run. Okay, it will show errors. Now if we want to say want to see this plot, okay, or say IA plot, IA. So what we will do, just we have to load these things, load the PSCAD data in MATLAB editor. Okay, so we have to write the command load minus s key. Now just copy the out file. So what will be the out file? There are two out files, right? Now if we see the IA in the 14th column means second out file, fifth column. Okay, the second out file we have to load. So just copy the name first. Now paste it here. Just give a semicolon and write IA equals to, just write the name, not the extension, name of the out file, and it is in the column, fifth column, right? 4 means fifth column, 14 means fifth column, 11 means second column, 12 means third column, fourth column, fifth column. So fifth column, fifth. And one thing, we have to define the time exactly same things, but it always in the first column of every out file, right? Now plot it, plot t comma ia, just run it. So this is our phase A current under fault condition, right? So fault is created in 2 seconds, and this is the phase A fault current, right? Okay, now you want, if you want to see all the three phases, just copy it, and this will be the IB. IB means this is 13, actually the column is 4, and I for IC column will be our 12, means 3, right? So just copy it, comma this this is our B, and this is our C. And if we run this, our three phase current comes. So if we just mm, zoom it, you will see the three phase currents. Okay, now in this plot we cannot distinguish the vari- the different phase, right? Which will be our phase A, which will be our phase B, we cannot distinguish. So that we have to give color code. We can give color code. Say our A phase is red, R for red, and our B phase is blue, B for blue, and C phase is just K, means black. You will have these details in command window. If we write help plot, you will have all the details of plot. Various color codes are available here, and you may use markers, you may use different types of lines, and the corresponding codes are available here. Okay, just write the command help plot. Okay, now if we run this and zoom it, actually this is AB fault. So our red means our IA current, and blue means our IB current. So this is increased, and black is our C phase current. Now you can just write legend also. Also you can just insert legend from here also. Insert legend. So first is I, capital I underscore A, means I suffix A, I underscore B, and this is I underscore C, right? Now you can change the orientation as well, and this is in vertical, so you can use it in horizontal mode also. You can change the edge color, just clicking the, just right click on it and click the edge color. You will have some color window. I choose white, so there will be no border. Actually border in white color, so it is not seen, right? So this is for identification purpose. And if we want to change the axis, if you want to give the axis name, you can insert x level. Our x level is our time in second, and insert y level is our current in kiloampere, right? Okay, current and time comes. Now if we want to see the plot from 1.5 to 2.5, so what we'll do, just click on the arrow and double click on it. Okay, now this is our x limit. We have to change the x limit from 1.5 to 2.5. Okay. You can change 1.8 to 2.2 also to see the various phasor properly. Now if we want to just put it in the Word file, just go to edit and copy figure and open a Word file, just paste it by Ctrl V. See, this is very clear than PSCAD plot. You can see very clear. This is our PSCAD plot. Okay, if we just compare these things, just compare these things, minimum is our 1.8 and maximum is 2.2. Now right click on it, copy as frame, just right click on it and copy frame and just paste it here. You can say this is the same thing is here, but by MATLAB command, the plot is that graph is more clear than the PSCAD plot, right? So this is useful. Now this is our current plot, right? You can see all the plots. You can also just do another thing. Just copy it here, copy from here, paste it here. And if you want to plot the active power, PS, so PS in number fourth means fifth column of the first out file, right? So this will be our underscore 01, and fifth column, yes, fifth column, this will be our PS. Okay, now plot T comma P PS. Okay, now if you run it, okay, actually the we have to write a figure here, because this is a figure number 1 and this is figure number 2, so you have to write here figure, then two figures will come. This This is figure number 1, but figure number 2 is actually PS is in fourth. PS. There's no need to write T again. Oh, this should be 1. Now this is our PS, right? Now you can change. You can change it from here also. Just insert X level here is time, which is in second, and insert Y, this active power, which is in kilowatt, right? And just go to edit, copy figure, and paste it in. uh, mm, Go to edit, copy figure, and paste it in the Word file. This is our active power, and this is very clear. Okay, so this is the way to see the PSCAD plots in MATLAB. Not only we are learning from this tutorial, not only plotting the datas, but also we can load the various datas which can be analyzed further by various signal processing technique, as well as if we want to do some training based algorithm like artificial neural network or optimization problem, we can use the PSCAD datas by loading like this and run it through function calling of that corresponding technique. Okay, now one more thing, how to calculate the phasor. This is a positive sequence magnitude, and this is positive sequence phase. So phasor will be, we can write is underscore phasor. Phasor is our uh, this magnitude into e to the power j theta, right? E to the power j theta means cos theta plus j sin theta. So we have to just multiply by putting a dot here for element wise multiplication in the bracket cos of, just cos of this phase, not phasor, phase, cos plus j sin theta. Here j we have to write 1 I and sine of in bracket here. Okay, this is the is phasor, but we have to load this ISPP1 and ISPM1. So this should be loaded, and you can see that PM1 in 11th 11th number. So this will be our out file number 2, second column, right? So this is out, this is already loaded, so this will be, just copy it from here, and this is our second column, right? And pp1 underscore pp1 is in 8th number, so this will be our first output file, ninth column. So first output file, ninth column. Right. Now have to write figure again. Figure plot, just T comma, just copy it and run it. So this is our phasor, positive sequence phasor, right? This is positive sequence magnitude and this is positive sequence phase, and this is our phasor. So these are the various ways to see the various PSCAD plots and loading the datas into MATLAB. So just check it, all the points are done or not. Yes, load of PSCAD datas into MATLAB editor and process already done. Plot and plot properties, and properties means the name of the axis and legend, changing of legends, various properties of plots are already done here. So this is end of this tutorial. Thank you.